Australian companies and homeowners have embraced coloured glass in every facet of the home and building industries. From glass splashbacks in kitchens and bathrooms, to feature walls in commercial properties, to glass spandrels and coloured glass cladding on the sides of entire buildings. Our unique process for bonding paint to glass has taken the glass industry to new levels and opened up virtually unlimited applications for architects and interior designers alike. The CP coating system is a performance-based coating promoter that sticks paint to glass like nothing else can. CP coating is a coating promoter for two-pack paint systems. It's easy to mix, easy to apply, it's cost-effective and provides a strong and durable base unlike normal painted surfaces. CP coating will also prevent painted surfaces from delamination without the need for expensive furnaces and drying ovens. CP coating offers an even greater range of colours and is now available for use with metal flex to create amazing appearances. CP coating is simply the best. Using a few easy techniques, CP coating can take your company to a new level in glass creations. CP coating, the best coating promoter for painted glass. Let's take a look at how easy it is to use. Firstly, adding the coating promoter. It's extremely easy to add into the two-pack paint, as it's only added into the paint hardener. When the paint and the hardener with added promoter are put together, it causes a reaction, allowing the paint to cure to become extremely durable. So, here's how. Add 70 millilitres of CP coating to 800 millilitres of hardener. With the 800 millilitres of hardener and 3.2 litres of paint, you'll create a 4 litre supply in total. 4 litres of paint will cover approximately 15 to 20 square metres of glass, depending on which colour you choose, but overall it's extremely cost effective. One of the most important aspects of any good job is making sure that the glass is clean and covered. So, cover the glass surface which is not being painted with plastic wrap. This will prevent any overspray going onto the front of the glass. Clean the glass with paint thinners or an isopropylene alcohol and make sure the painted surface of the glass is clean and dry. If you're mixing paint for the pot, the ratio of paint to hardener is usually 4 parts paint and 1 part hardener, and between 1.5 to 2 parts of thinners. Use a guide pole if you're unsure, but the mix needs to be correct. The pole will indicate 4 even sections for paint, 1 section for hardener and 2 sections for thinners. 1 pole for a full pot. If you follow this simple guide, you can't go wrong. If you're wanting a metal fleck, then here's what to do. Add 1 level teaspoon of fleck to a clear base paint. Add the hardener. With normal painting, you add twice the amount of thinners to hardener, but with metallics, it's double that, so same amount of thinners as paint. Stir the 3 components and you're ready to paint. When you spray with metallics, keep the gun about 500 millimeters from the glass, spraying reasonably quickly. Once horizontally and once vertically is usually enough. For a heavy metallic, just simply repeat. After around 10 to 15 minutes, the glass is ready for the main colour. Next, mix the paint as to the directions on the can, making sure you use the hardener with the coating promoter in it. Add the thinners, mix well together, and you're ready to paint. Try a test piece of glass first to make sure the paint is flowing out of the gun in a nice, even manner and not splattering. If it is splattering, then just add a little more thinners to the pot. Spray the glass in an even motion both horizontally and then vertically, and repeat 3 times until the paint is tacky. Allow around 5 to 10 minutes between each coat. The glass is now ready for drying. When painting colours like bright reds, yellows and oranges, use a final back coat of white or grey, which will help the glass from looking too transparent. Standing glass up will provide less chance of dust and lint landing on the painted side, so it's advisable to do this when creating cupboard or furniture doors where both sides of the glass are visible. The coverage is less and more coats of paint are usually required, but the finished product is far superior. Painting of glass for spandrels and splashbacks is usually done by laying the glass flat, providing better coverage. And of course, use a good mask and make sure your spray area or booth has good ventilation. Lay the glass flat for approximately 48 hours to dry, then inspect for quality. Leave to cure for another 3 days before installation. Due to improper cleaning, small defects can sometimes occur. These can easily be repaired with a bit of touch-up paint from the can. Full curing takes around 7 days. You can also use drying lights to help speed up the drying and curing process, but avoid moist or extremely cool conditions. CP Coating Australia. Australian-based, yet providing the latest techniques and processes for the ever-expanding glass industry worldwide. CP Coating is simply the best. CP Coating, the best coating promoter for painted glass.